Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an indicator light in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws to release the upper rear access panel. Slide the indicator light off of the lens. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them. Install the new indicator light by first connecting the wires to the appropriate terminals. Then slide the light onto the lens. Realign the access panel by placing the panel tabs behind the lip of the control panel. Thread and tighten the screws. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your electric range should be ready for use.